Have you ever pondered how computers understand human language? It's a fascinating question that brings us to the world of natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP is an offshoot of artificial intelligence that is focused on making computers comprehend, interpret, and even generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that understands not just the words, but the context, the nuances, the emotions behind your language. That's the aim of NLP, to bridge the gap between human language and computer understanding. It's about making machines capable of interacting with us in a more natural and intuitive way. NLP is a vast field encompassing a myriad of tasks and techniques, from text understanding, where NLP algorithms analyze text data to comprehend its meaning, to language generation, where NLP models create human-like text based on input data. It also includes speech recognition, transcribing spoken language into text, and language understanding, aiming to grasp the intentions and meanings behind our words. Then there's the realm of dialogue systems, where NLP enables computers to engage in conversations with users in a way that feels natural and human-like. If you've ever interacted with a chatbot or a virtual assistant, you've experienced this aspect of NLP in action. All these tasks and techniques hinge on machine learning and deep learning algorithms. These algorithms are trained on vast datasets of text data, learning patterns and relationships in language, enabling them to perform various NLP tasks with increasing accuracy and efficiency. NLP is more than just a theoretical concept. It plays a vital role in real-world applications across various sectors, from customer service and healthcare to finance and education. By enabling computers to understand and process human language, NLP enhances communication and interaction between humans and machines, leading to improved user experiences and increased productivity. So, the next time you ask your virtual assistant for the weather forecast or use automated translation, remember this: behind that smooth interaction, there's a whole world of complex processes and algorithms at work. NLP is the key to more natural and intuitive interactions between humans and machines. Imagine if a computer could not only read a text but also understand its meaning. Welcome to the world of text understanding and language generation, two fundamental tasks in natural language processing. Text understanding is all about enabling computers to comprehend written content. It's like teaching machines to read between the lines, to extract the essence of a text. NLP algorithms dive into this task, breaking down sentences, analyzing words, and piecing together the context. They classify text into categories, a bit like sorting books into genres in a library. But it goes deeper than that. These algorithms also perform sentiment analysis, acting as detectives to determine the emotional tone of a text. Is it positive, negative, or neutral? They can even identify and categorize named entities, like recognizing names of people, places, or organizations. It's akin to meeting someone for the first time and remembering their name, where they are from, and what they do. Now let's step into the realm of language generation. Here, NLP models turn into storytellers generating human-like text. Given a set of input data, these models can weave together coherent sentences or paragraphs that make sense. It's like having a personal writer at your disposal, generating a story based on your ideas. They're also skilled translators, capable of converting text from one language to another. And if you're overwhelmed with large volumes of text, don't worry. These models can condense information into shorter summaries, like a friend explaining the key points of a long lecture you missed. The beauty of text understanding and language generation lies in their synergy. While one deciphers the meaning of text, the other creates meaningful text. Together, they enable machines to interact with us in a more natural and intuitive way, much like conversing with a human. With NLP, machines can comprehend and even generate text that is surprisingly human-like. So, the next time you read a piece of text generated by a machine, remember, there's a world of artificial intelligence working behind the scenes, making that possible. What if a machine could understand spoken language and even comprehend its intentions? Well, that's not just a futuristic dream anymore. It's happening right now, thanks to natural language processing, or NLP. NLP plays a pivotal role in speech recognition. It allows machines to transcribe spoken language into written text. But it's not just about converting sounds into letters and words. It's about understanding those words, deciphering the context, and recognizing the intent behind them. This is where NLP truly shines. Imagine you're talking to your virtual assistant. You say, "Hey, I need to know tomorrow's weather forecast for London." The NLP algorithms running in the background are doing a lot more than just jotting down your words. They're analyzing your request, picking out the key elements. Tomorrow, weather forecast, and London. They're understanding that you're asking for future weather information for a specific location, and they're doing all of this in a split second. But wait, there's more. NLP doesn't just stop at understanding your request. It also takes into account the way you speak, the tone of your voice, and even the accent. This is what makes NLP so powerful in speech recognition. It's not just about what you say, it's also about how you say it. Now let's talk about language understanding. NLP systems aim to comprehend the intentions and meanings behind human language. They perform tasks such as intent recognition, identifying the purpose or goal of your query, and question answering, providing accurate responses to your questions. For instance, if you ask your virtual assistant, "What's the fastest way to the airport?" It understands that you're not just asking for a route, you're asking for the quickest route. It's this level of understanding that sets NLP apart. So, the next time you speak to your voice-controlled device or virtual assistant, remember the complex processes and the sophisticated technology that makes it all possible. Thanks to NLP, our voice-controlled devices and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly intelligent. Ever wondered how chatbots understand and respond to our queries? Well, the secret lies in a fascinating branch of artificial intelligence known as natural language processing, or NLP. Dialogue systems, also known as chatbots or conversational agents, are one of the most exciting real-world applications of NLP. These systems are designed to engage in conversations with users in a way that mimics human interaction. They're like our digital companions, always ready for a chat regardless of the time or place. So how does NLP fit into this picture? Well, NLP techniques are used to understand user input and generate appropriate responses. Let's say you ask a chatbot about the weather. The chatbot uses NLP to analyze your question, understand its intent, and then formulates an appropriate response based on the information it has. But it's not just about understanding and responding to queries. NLP also helps chatbots to maintain the flow of a conversation. They use context from previous interactions to generate responses that are coherent and relevant, making the conversation feel more natural and engaging. Now let's talk about the real-world applications. NLP is making a significant impact in various sectors, from customer service to healthcare. In customer service, chatbots equipped with NLP can handle customer queries round the clock, providing instant responses and resolving issues efficiently. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also reduces the burden on human agents. In healthcare, NLP-powered chatbots can provide medical advice, schedule appointments, and even monitor patient health. They can understand complex medical terminologies and provide accurate information, making them a valuable tool for both patients and healthcare providers. And these are just a few examples. The potential applications of NLP and dialogue systems are vast and growing. With advancements in AI and machine learning, we can expect chatbots to become even more intelligent and human-like in their interactions. So, the next time you interact with a chatbot, remember, there's a whole world of complex processing happening behind the scenes, all thanks to natural language processing. From customer service to healthcare, NLP is revolutionizing the way we interact with machines. So, what's the secret behind the seemingly magical abilities of NLP? Well, it's not actually magic, but it's certainly impressive. The power of natural language processing lies in the sophisticated algorithms of machine learning and deep learning. These algorithms are like the brain of NLP, and they're trained on vast amounts of text data to learn patterns and relationships in language. Think of machine learning as a diligent student. Given a textbook, or in this case a data set, it studies and learns to recognize patterns. For instance, it might recognize that certain words often appear together, or that certain phrases are often followed by specific types of responses. This helps it to classify text, determine sentiment, and identify named entities. Deep learning, on the other hand, goes a step further. It's like a student who not only memorizes the textbook but also understands the underlying principles and concepts. It uses neural networks to process data, identifying subtler patterns and relationships that might not be immediately obvious. This allows it to generate human-like text, translate languages, and even engage in conversations. These algorithms continuously learn and improve, becoming more accurate and efficient at performing various NLP tasks. They're like sponges, constantly absorbing new information and refining their understanding of language. This continuous learning is what allows NLP to keep up with the ever-evolving complexity of human language. And it's not just about understanding language, but also about generating it. NLP models can create coherent sentences, translate text into different languages, and even condense large bodies of text into concise summaries. They're not just passive observers of language, but active participants, contributing to the richness and diversity of human communication. So while it might seem like magic, the power of NLP actually comes from the tireless work of algorithms, constantly learning and adapting to the intricacies of human language. It's a testament to the exciting possibilities of artificial intelligence, and a glimpse into a future where humans and machines can communicate more naturally and intuitively. By enabling computers to understand and process human language, NLP is not just a technological revolution, it's a communication evolution. In a nutshell, how does NLP transform our interaction with machines? Natural language processing, or NLP, is the bridge that allows machines to comprehend, interpret, and generate human language. It facilitates text understanding, language generation, speech recognition, language understanding, and dialogue systems. NLP's role is significant across various real-world applications, enhancing communication and interaction between humans and machines. As NLP technology advances, the line between human language and computer understanding continues to blur, opening up a world of possibilities for the future of human-machine interactions.